Hello everyone, this is the first introduction video before we start the work. This is the Toyota Aurion 2010 and it came to us with the faulty head unit and camera system. The problem happened is the system has very intermittent working reverse camera. When it comes here this morning it didn't work, and yeah, many times it didn't work with the owner as well. Sometimes it works, and right after that it doesn't work. And the owner said that he already tried to do everything with the previous supplier until they actually claim that the car has problem with the gear box. Well, actually, we already inspect the car and we definitely don't see any problem with the gearbox here or the reverse power. And yep, that's the main reason. And we can see that the system here is just the very generic Linux operating system built head in it. It doesn't have any feature like Wi-Fi, internet, or built-in GPS or other thing. So yep, soon we will upgrade this one to the 9-inch system, and we will bring the whole new full package into the car for the owner with the new full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera upgrade. So whole thing will be new and upgrade, and no more problem with the reverse camera again. And definitely it's not the problem with the gearbox. We cannot understand why it was claimed that way, but at least we can find the right problem is coming from the camera, the wiring, and the current head unit here. It will be fixed soon later. Thank you and see you soon.